Hi everyone, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today onwards, I start a new playlist like Full Stack Development. In this playlist, first technology is the HTML. Today in this tutorial, we discuss about the what is HTML, why we learn HTML. Okay, so today we are mainly focused on these six topics like introduction of HTML and what exactly is HTML, why HTML is so important, and show real-time examples of you and what you learn in this HTML course and what you build after learning the HTML. Okay, so first topic is the introduction of HTML. We can develop or build any kind of websites. We can develop or build any kind of websites like Amazon, YouTube, okay, or anything, any kind of websites or web apps, dashboards, dashboards and full stack projects or full stack websites. We need to start with the foundation of HTML. We can develop or build a websites, any kind of websites and the apps and the dashboards and full stack projects. We need to start with the foundation of HTML. You- If you have if you have complete knowledge on the HTML, you can build any kind of websites. If you don't have knowledge on the HTML, you can't build any kind of websites. Okay. And next one, what exactly is of HTML? What exactly is of HTML? What exactly is of HTML means HTML is a foundation of the HTML is a foundation of the foundation for to build the any kind of websites. And next one, HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. HTML is not a programming language. HTML is a markup language. What do you mean by markup language? Markup means markup will decide the how the how the um, how the markup will decide the markup will decide the structure of the web page. Markup will decide the structure of the web page, and markup will decide the how to display output on the web page. Markup means markup will decide the how to display the output on the web page. Okay, HTML is a skeleton of a web page. HTML is a skeleton of a every web page or every website. Imagine a human body. The skeleton gives the structure of the structure. Imagine a human body, skeleton gives the structure. Okay. At the same time, similarly, HTML also gives the structure of a web page. Okay. So HTML decides what content appears on the HTML what content appears on the screen or web page. Okay, it organizes the web page into headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, links, etc. Okay, and next one, third one, why is HTML is so important? Why is HTML is so important? Okay, if you open any website like Amazon website, okay, or YouTube website, okay, so YouTube website, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, okay, all of them finally get converted into the HTML. All of them finally get converted into the finally get converted into the HTML. Okay, you can build any kind of website with a different programming language, different programming languages. Finally, they are converted into the HTML. Okay, so that's why HTML is the first and most essential skill for the any developer. Okay, so what is HTML is so important? We can develop any kind of websites. We can develop any kind of websites like different programming languages like HTML, different programming languages like React.js, Angular, Python, Java. Okay, they are finally get converted into the all the websites are finally get converted into the HTML. So that's why HTML is the first and most essential skill for any developer. Okay, so here YouTube is a one example for the YouTube is a one real-time example for the HTML. Here, this one is the here, suppose we can take it as a one video. Here, heading. Okay, 43 Indians in bus incident. Okay, this one is the heading, and next one is the paragraph. And next here is the thumbnail. Thumbnail means image. And next one is the here is the navigational bar. All music, live, news, Tamil cinema. If you click on this button, it will be display the Telugu cinemas. Okay, so these are so this is the use of HTML. Okay, HTML can be used to build the real time of examples. Okay, in this playlist, we can learn about the complete HTML like basic structure of HTML, headings, images, paragraphs, navigations, OL, UL lists. Okay, and next one login and registration forms, HTML semantic videos, all of them. Okay, in this playlist, you can learn all the all the HTML. Okay. And next one, after learning of HTML, what you build? You can build a portfolio websites and sign up or registration forms or login forms and simple landing pages. Finally, finally, if you have zero coding knowledge, don't worry. HTML is the easiest part of the web development. Okay. So if you have don't know, if you have zero knowledge on coding, don't worry. Okay, HTML is the easiest part of the web development. If you follow this series, you will slowly become a confident and ready for CSS, JavaScript, and full stack. Okay, so guys, hopefully we all understand the what is HTML and why we learn the HTML. If you have any doubts or comments, please mention the below the comments section. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.